This is the point where they learn to drink water and eat food. To get too close to that warmness, which is 98 degrees directly underneath, or to move slightly away, or to get underneath this heat plate, or to sit on top of it. If you sit on top of it, you get pasty butt, because the poop dries before it hits the ground. You go under it, it's more like your mom, nice and warm. Too hot, just lay down. Want more heat? Sit up. Very simple. We run a tight ship here at Havens Homestead. We sometimes leave the lid off. Let our birds explore. So cute.